Hey y'all, today I'm doing a very brief video on why the anti-budget is amazing for long-term travelers. If you don't know what the anti-budget is, it is essentially a pay your priorities and pay yourself first method of budgeting where you don't have the traditional line items like I'm going to spend $100 on restaurants, I'm going to spend, I don't know, 300 on groceries. None of that. You pay what's important, your fixed expenses, with your bills, whatever they are, and then you pay yourself, investing, saving however much you want, and then you do whatever you want with the rest of that money. It's so simple. And I say that's super amazing for long-term travelers because the reality is a lot of times we're going to be getting money out of ATMs, right? And so, on your debit card or your credit card, you have that list of transactions. You spent $20 at this restaurant, you spent $10 at this store, right? But when you take money out of the ATM, you just got $500 ATM withdrawal. So I don't know about you, but I just feel like it's a little much trying to remember and take note of where all that money went, right? Like, oh, I spent 12 of those $500 at this market, And so the anti-budget takes all that away because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. If you paid yourself and you paid your bills first, you spend your money however you want. And that's that. So if you would like to hear a more in-depth explanation of the anti-budget, I highly recommend that you check out Adalia. Picky Girl Travels the World. She did a YouTube video. It's 2 years old now, which was crazy. When I saw that, I was like, dang, time. Anyway, it's called You Don't Need to Budget, How to Pay Yourself First, Simplest Budgeting Method, the Anti-Budget. So I will link to that down in the description. And I will also link to the live that H&D Abroad did where they had Adalia on their channel and she talked about the anti-budget and she addressed some of the questions and concerns that people have about it. So yeah, I will also link to that down below. I highly recommend you check it out. This video is not long because the anti-budget is so simple. Y'all, there's only so much I can say about that. And I'm not even going to drag it out. So if you like this video, go ahead and drop me a like. If there are any questions, comments, or concerns that you have, definitely drop them down below because I understand this is the shortest video I've ever done. And I've done some short videos. So if there's anything that needs more clarity, let me know. And definitely subscribe if you want to stick around and hear more about my experiences and the things I'm learning on my journey towards long-term slow travel. Thanks for watching. Bye.